Okay, so in this lesson I want to explain to you what you need for this course. First of all, you need a functional browser, a web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and for documentation I'm going to use MDN Web Docs. That's including CSS, HTML and JavaScript since 2005. Now you can use this too, or you can use whatever else you want, but I recommend MDN. Also, you need a functional IDE, and for IDE I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. You can use Sublime Text, Atom, or Visual Studio Community, whatever you want to use, but it should have the possibility for launching a live server. Now let's begin explaining level headings. So in the folder course that I made, you can call that folder however you want. I'm going to make a new file, and again you can call it however you want. I'm going to call it level headings.html, and when you're a coder you have to use many tricks to code faster, so you have more time to think more. And I'm going to use this fast typing, and it's just a way to type faster the doctype HTML code. This is default code, and here I'm going to replace document with level headings. This is the title. This will appear up there in the window of the page. You see up here, the rest of the page is blank though. And I am going to go in the body. You don't have to change anything up here. And in the body I'm going to explain what a level heading is. A level heading is the H1 tag or the H6 tag, or any tag between H1 and H6, H2, H3, H4 or H5. This is level 1 heading, and it looks like this. Big, right? The level 2 heading is also pretty simple to write, and it goes on and on all the way to level 6 heading, which is H6. Level 4 heading, which is H4. Sorry. Also, in Visual Studio Code, I don't know about any other IDEs at this moment. You can write H5 and just click enter, and you just already type. That's because I have the Emmet extension downloaded. That's, for what I know, also on Atom to download. And the H6 level. Now I'm gonna click save, and you can see all the differences between these, the smallest and the biggest. There is no H0 or H7 or H11 or H-3. They don't exist. These are the only heading levels that you will ever come across. That's it for this lesson, and I will see you in the next one.